Hello, Darren Ness with Neatness Lawn Care out of Columbus, Indiana. If you need lawn service, 812-669-2065. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I've done a couple videos about my Eagle Pro. So this is the Eagle Pro Dixie chopper. I just got done mowing. It been a little wet, but I have 310 hours on it so far. So here's, before I'm going to do an oil change. I'm going to show you how to do that. But so I've done a couple of reviews. I've taken the flap off, the grass blocker. I've taken that off because what happens is this thing's supposed to be, the chute's supposed to go straight out, right? Well, after about a season, the chute gets lazy and wants to hang down, and then it starts clumping like crazy. So I've taken that off. I've actually started looking into an aftermarket chute. So Dixie Chopper, if you're watching this video, I would encourage you guys to figure out a better setup. Other than that, I'm still a big fan of this mower. I don't like that it holds water. If you get caught in the rain, the cup holders and these things hold it. I also don't like, I don't know if you can see, I also don't like the fact how close that rides to this gas tank, and that's like that on both sides. Yeah, guys, I know I need to clean it out. I need to do better. But look at this gap. I mean, that gap is just like minuscule. I don't know why it does that. I mean, you get a stick in here or something, and it goes up under there, then you're liable to hit that. So, okay, let's get to it. This mower's got 310 hours, some basic wear and tear on it. My wheelie bar, my wheelies, they've taken kind of a beating, but yeah, this thing handles hills really well. I mow a dam, and it does really well on that. Okay, so let's get to the oil change. I've got a that's a 10 millimeter socket. What we're going to do is come to the right side of the mower, and you're going to look up under here. You're going to see. Sorry, guys, I'm not in the business of movie making, but you're going to go right below the fuel filter. This is the fuel filter. You're going to see this red cable here. Okay, so now you're going to come up underneath, and you see this little black piece right here. Sorry. Okay, this little black piece, right? My finger's kind of tipping it right there. Anyway, you're going to put your 10 millimeter on that. I've got one of these ratchet ones, so put that on there, and you're going to make sure there's a tube there. It's that black tube. So we're gonna try and lift these up. Okay, this black tube here. Okay, so as we're cranking on that, loosen that up. Should see some oil come out of it here in a minute. Okay, so that's loosened up really well. Loosen it up by hand. There it is. Oil's coming out of it. And yes, it was due for an oil change. Look how nasty that is. Okay, guys. So we're gonna change this. What's draining, I like to just take that, loosen that up. Now the oil filter for this Dixie chopper, of course this has the Kawasaki on it, but PN49065-710. That's the filter we're putting on it. My shop is a mess, but it's been busy this season, so that's good. Alright, so as that's